Huobi Gathering is a world-driving organization in the computerized economy industry. Established in 2013 to enhance center blockchain innovation with different areas, Huobi Gathering has ventured into the public chain, industry blockchain, crypto exchanging, wallet, research, and so on, and has laid out a worldwide environment. Huobi Worldwide really is the world-driving cryptographic money stage, giving secure and advantageous exchanging administrations for many advanced monetary standards. Check coin outline before we start with Huobi sort of token cost forecast. Most stages explicitly permit you to set up a vendor wallet account that essentially offers customization and transformation choices to your base cash in a genuinely large manner. Incorporate the digital currency choices into your retail locations is a significant step where in the event that you for the most part don't sort of have appropriate help, you might wind up losing cash. Seeing this multitude of complicated inquiries of dealers and financial backers, the stage Huobi offers one-stop answers for all your exchanging needs, which is genuinely huge. Huobi was established in China in the year 2013. Afterward, it explicitly opened up to the world and is currently a Hong, especially Kong-based organization in an unobtrusive manner. The local Huobi token is set to overwhelm truly other laid-out digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT to give some examples. The outline of Huobi Genuinely Token. Huobi Worldwide Environmental Token fundamentally is a decentralized computerized resource in light of Ethereum, gave by Huobi Gathering. The administration Huobi token trade offers a truly multifaceted methodology giving immense openness to an excess of 16,000 business sectors. The flexibility of tradable matches on Huobi Trade for digital currency. Huobi Stage offers unmatched administrations with the assistance of committed specialists, non-stop warning help, and a call for help talk and call administration for all clients, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Customization of records in light of financial backer explicit necessities is one more remarkable component here, with all solaces of an essential and especially proficient record. HT is utilized in a wide range of utilizations in the worldwide business and environment of Huobi Gathering. Huobi token holders will generally partake in the comparing advantages of the entire environment of Huobi and get biological sub-token prizes, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Huobi token, market opinion in an unobtrusive way. In view of authentic information from the trade, specialized examination information, and future cost gauge, the for the most part current cost of Huobi token is as of now exchanging around $9.14. It has a market capitalization of $1,425,538,977.63 with a volume of $38,963,223.65. There is a circling supply of 156,124,154 HT in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. In light of our estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal. The HT cost guess for 2026 essentially is $1.31, which is genuinely critical, as per our cost expectation. The HT cost generally is gauged to reach $7.96 by the start of December 2022, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The normal most exorbitant cost is $9.95. The least cost $6.77. Huobi token expectations. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the cost will be around $12.30 in a genuinely significant manner. A sort of greatest cost of $13.29. The base cost of $11.57 for December 2022. The typical cost of Huobi especially token for the long stretch of December 2022 especially is $12.43. The value figure of Huobi tokens toward the finish of December 2022 $12.30. Change for December 2022 to 12%. At the hour of composing this Huobi token estimate and specialized investigation, the HT tokens exchange around $13.70. Over the very beyond 2 years, the Huobi token cost confronted various dismissals around its significant obstruction level of the $5 mark amazingly. Notwithstanding, last December, the token stamped gigantic energy, and in the kind of last month, it denoted an untouched high of $39.81. Then, the Huobi token cost drop was noticed however. According to the ongoing energy and our figure, the cost of Huobi essentially token will recuperate soon. Huobi token value forecast 2022, keeping up pair with a similar bullish cost pattern. There is a cost expectation that Huobi exceptionally token cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022. Keeping in context the series of consecutive pinnacles and box, the Huobi truly token cost just demonstrates a positive pattern among the retreating pandemic situation contacting the $12.97 mark. Huobi token value expectation 2023. going by concentrating on more limited and longer cost patterns. Huobi truly token cost fall is anticipated, and Huobi token has been straying from its way generally every 2 or 3 years. So proceeding, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be so extremely perfect for Huobi token for acceleration, particularly with rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of Huobi token cost causing a misfortune yet just pitiful, dropping to $14.39 once more. In any case, this stays as a critical situation, and a few specialists generally don't anticipate this. Huobi sort of token value expectation 2024, yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will basically ride the crypto market. It for the most part is normal that Huobi token value reach will control the crypto realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $15.47, which truly shows Huobi token cost has full certainly potential to really support staying away from HT cost drop as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances in future. Huobi token value expectations 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year as Huobi token cost is truly anticipated to outperform $20.09 by all means sooner rather than later according to our figure information in a very significant manner. Predominantly on the grounds that this year, no essential variables like pandemic or downturn in every practical sense are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies. And going by an examination of costs of HT crypto, it sort of is normal that the greater part of the harm done would really be headed for fixed work in every single world economy. With mass reception, Huobi token's cost is assessed to arrive at a worth of around $50 toward 2025 incredibly zen. Huobi token value expectations 2026. The year 2020 could explicitly have seen Huobi really token cost drifting around the $17.60 mark, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Subsequently, it has helped the market opinion peculiarity definitely, which is very critical. The crypto expectations from that point forward have in a real sense began drifting towards good faith as opposed to negativity. The cost expectations for Huobi truly token cost for this entire year really remains very uplifting, expressing that Huobi token cost could leap to about $20 in view of our calculation and estimation for October and November. Could I at any point bring in cash with Huobi token in an unpretentious way? For sure yes, since the money in every practical sense is only a couple of years old, its presentation will essentially be very bullish, by and large say basically for a long time. The development of HT can explicitly be followed tirelessly. Clients are encouraged to do their computations following business sector expectations for the fundamentally token. For what reason is the Huobi sort of token cost rising? The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers have truly rested in the resource. Simultaneously, it is a sort of smart explanation that the Huobi pretty token truly is recorded on the trade to show an incredible exhibition for esteem, which is genuinely critical. No big surprise the symbolic shows a steady ascent, subsequently making it beneficial for clients showing the practically the least opposition, which is genuinely critical. Will Huobi